When James first came to see me, he was extremely embarrassed with his teeth. Every one of his teeth were rotten.
I gradually let it get worse and worse. It got to a point to where it was affecting me tremendously, both socially and occupationally. I drive the trucks for UPS, 18-wheeler. I couldn't interact with my customers because of the embarrassment. It was starting to affect me socially and out with my friends. Anytime we would go out to eat or just go anywhere, I felt like I had to hide my smile because it did embarrass me.
We decided to save all of his top teeth. I believe I did 12 root canals, but we couldn't save any of the bottom ones.
It did affect my eating. There were certain foods that I had to avoid. Yeah, I finally got to a point where I decided for the long term, it was going to affect me the rest of my life, so I needed to do something about it.
His biggest concern was longevity. Being a young guy, 31 years old, how long was dentistry going to last?
That's how I came to the decision to look into dental implants, and that's how I found Dr. Shoemaker. I'd seen the work that he had done. I'd talk to other patients that had been to him, and my first appointment when I came in was very pleasant. They took care of me the way they treated me like a member of their family, and that meant a lot to me because it made me feel comfortable. In particular, what he was going to do with me was going to take a significant amount of time for it to be done right, and that's what he was concerned about, was getting it done right.
We finished him up a few months ago. Beautiful results, strong teeth. He couldn't be happier.
He knew what was best for my situation so that it would last for a long time. When I finally got to see that smile in the mirror, I knew then that I made the right decision. I'm not afraid to smile now. Everyone in the office has treated me very respectful, very kind. I couldn't ask for a better experience. I was treated like a member of the family. Dr. Shoemaker and his staff have been a blessing in my life.